Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of 15 Second Friday, where myself and some of my favorite YouTube creators from across the platform have 15 seconds to give you YouTube tricks, tips, and techniques to get your channel to grow faster. We'll put 15 seconds on the clock, and no matter where you're at, you're done at the buzzer. Today, my guest is a man who needs no introduction. He's helped countless channels find the path to success, and with over 20,000 subscribers added to his channel every single month, this is a man that we should be listening to. Without further ado, it's my pleasure to welcome the great Nick Nimmin. Nick, you ready over there?
All right, so I got 15 seconds. I don't know how much information I can squeeze into 15 seconds.
Whatever you think it's important for the YouTube creators out there to understand, you can talk about anything you want.
Does this time that's happening now, does that time count for that 15 seconds?
What? No, I haven't even put the clock up yet. Why do I get the feeling you're stalling here? You let me know when you're ready and I'll start the clock.
We'll start right now. You want to make sure that you're adding as much value as humanly possible to the people that are watching your videos, because here's the thing, people are exchanging their lifetime in exchange for your content time to consume your content. So make sure that you're making it worth it for people. The more that you give, the more that you're going to get back in return. Boom. That might have been a tad more than 15 seconds. If so, I apologize. Daniel, thanks for having me on. I appreciate it. Back to you.
Nick, thank you so much for your time today. Literally, the man brought his own clock. 15 seconds, grow your channel. Peace, have a great weekend.